In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a key scene image in OpenArt AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the workspace, craft a strong prompt, and produce a striking hero frame that anchors the look and feel of your project. Start by heading to OpenArt's Suite homepage. This is your central hub, and it's the quickest way to access the creative tools we need. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Video. Even though we're focusing on a key scene image, the video workspace is where OpenArt lets you shape and preview that defining frame, so it's the right place to be. You'll see options to choose a start and end frame. These control where your scene begins and concludes, which can help you isolate the exact beat you want to highlight. For this walkthrough, we'll keep the defaults so you can follow along without changing timing. Just remember, start and end frames are helpful for zeroing in on the most cinematic moment. Next, select text with reference. This mode combines the clarity of a written prompt with the option to include a guiding image or clip if you have one. It's great for nailing consistency in character, lighting, or composition. If you don't have a reference, no problem. The text prompt alone will still generate a strong key scene. Now, choose your model. Different models interpret style, motion, and detail in slightly different ways. If you want bold, cinematic depth and dynamic lighting, pick a model known for rich detail and stable composition. When in doubt, start with a popular general purpose option. You can always experiment later. In the description box, type a clear visual prompt. For example, hero standing on cliff overlooking burning kingdom, dramatic wind-blowing cape, cinematic wide shot, golden hour lighting, ultra-detailed fantasy art, movie poster style. Notice how this stacks subject, setting, camera framing, lighting, detail level, and overall vibe. That structure helps the model lock onto the exact hero moment you want. While you're here, choose your sound effect, mode, and output. Even if the focus is a still key scene, these settings influence how the engine renders motion and detail, which often improves the fidelity of the hero frame. When everything looks good, click Generate. Give it a moment to process. You'll see your scene come to life in the preview. Use the preview to spot the strongest frame, the one that best captures your story's tone. That's your key scene image, ready to guide the rest of your creative decisions.